What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on SDC ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news related to this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts about short-term trades with this company and long-term investing. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here when we formed this triangle, and it was a symmetrical triangle, and my main assumption was that we have to have a breakout and we had the possibility to break this formation to the upside, and usually this formation is in the fourth wave, and we have to finish the fifth wave, and my main target was the level of $7.71, and as you can see right here we hit $7.74, so we hit it to the tick, and congratulations to all of you who took this trade from this level to 771, and it might be around 15.5% during one session. And then I've told you that we have to have a pullback, and this pullback happened, as you can see. So, how I define this target? First of all, this shape of triangle usually occurs on the fourth wave. This means this is our first wave, this is our second, third, fourth, and we have to finish our fifth wave. And right here, as you can see, we hit with this top, we hit pretty much this previous swing high, and we also had this previous top, and it also might act as a resistance. And as you can see, we hit it to the tick, and this was my main assumption. So let's continue with some fundamental news about this company, and in several minutes I will share my thoughts for the upcoming movements. First of all, let's start with the company profile. SmileDirectClub operates as an oral care company. It offers clear aligner therapy treatment. For now, this company has a market cap of $2.52 billion. They have a revenue of $726.7 million with a negative net income of $68.11 million. They have a revenue growth of 6.77%. They have a cash position of $376.75 million with a total debt of $777.49 million. So it's quite a big debt compared to their total cash. And I have to say that this company, as I already mentioned, doesn't have impressive numbers, doesn't have impressive financials, but still, if we will take a look on their Q2 earnings results, and by the way, we are on their investor presentation, we can see that their gross margin on Q2 2021 is 74%, and it is a very good number. But all other numbers are not so great. And let me show you this recap. So they have a marketing and selling expenses rose about 178% year over year. General and administrative expenses climbed about 24%. The company saw an adjusted operating loss of $52.7 million. Operating cash flow came to negative $28.3 million. Free cash flow was a negative $51 million. And they have a debt of $744.1 million compared to $655.4 million at the end of Q1 2021. So these numbers are not so impressive from the financial standpoint. That is why we have, let me show it to you right here, we are on finviz.com, and this ticker has the short float of 32.89%. So a lot of hedge funds think that this company should go lower, and as you can see, we have a lot of downgrades during just several weeks, and the target price, let me show it to you right here on TipRanks. We have the lowest estimation of around $4, average price at $7.4, and high level is $11. And I have to say that we are exactly in the middle, almost exactly in the middle, at the price point of $6.26, and that is why you have to be cautious with the long-term investing in this company. So what was the main catalyst for this ticker during the previous sessions? And it was the Wall Street Bets community, and it was the retail investors who tried to squeeze the shorts of this ticker. And as you can see right here, we still have SDC ticker among the top mentioned tickers on keywordcount.com. And let me show you the exact number of mentions. As you can see, right after SPY ticker we have SDC, and it has 258 mentions. So if we will take a look on Memberg terminal, we have SDC on the, let me show it to you, let me sort it by mentions. We have SDC ticker on second place with 379 mentions. And if you want to realize what is the sentiment of these mentions, just click here and you will see the comments related to this ticker. And I have to say that for now we have a decent amount of mentions that are quite bullish. And I have to say that I just watched the video of Kevin, and he just made the video with the CFO of SmileDirectClub. And this video, in my opinion, is rather bullish, and that is why I think it might be a contender for long-term investment, but I will share my thoughts how you can do it. So, and what should you do if you want to catch the trade? So, let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we have this as our first wave. This is our second. This entire movement of 3 waves is the third one. Next one, it is retracement to the fourth. And fifth one right here. So we finished the entire movement to the upside. And right here, from this point to this point, it is very tricky to make an Elliott wave breakdown. Because I have several doubts about this movement. But still, I cannot count more than one wave inside this. And we might see something like this. This might be the first wave, second, third. This entire movement is the retracement to the fourth one, and fifth. And this means we finished only 2 waves. And according to Elliott wave theory, we have to have 5 waves structure to complete the 1 wave on a slightly greater scale. This means we might have a retracement, and this retracement we should measure from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave. And let me clean the chart a little bit, and I don't need this scale. Just pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and what do we have here? We have very good support line from 0.65 and 0.618. It is a golden pocket, Fibonacci retracement level, that also known as golden pocket, and it is the most probable level of trend reversal. And as you can see, we have a rather good bounce to the upside, but still this formation has a shape of a descending triangle, and this descending triangle usually breaks to the downside. And on top of that, we have diminishing volume. And this means we might see a huge movement with slight increase in volume, and this movement might be either way. So let me show you one more tool. It is a Fibonacci extension tool, and I have to measure the movement to the downside because usually this retracement has a shape of simple zigzag, and this might be our A wave. This top is the B one, and let me, by the way, mark it for you. I think we have something like this, and the next level should be the bottom of our C wave. And usually a C wave has the length exactly the same as a wave. But in this case we will break this previous bottom, and we will have basically we will eliminate this movement as a movement to the upside, and that's why you have to be cautious. So we still have a possibility to squeeze the shorts, and definitely it will be not the longest trade. And I have to say that if this level holds, if the level of $6.24 holds, we might have a next leg to the upside, and our target might be, let me show it to you, we have to break this previous top. And let's take a look on further movements. We might hit next level right here at $9.31. But first of all, we have to break this sloping line. Let me show you on a daily time frame. We have this descending channel, and we have to break it to the upside, then retest from the top, and with a good volume we have to go higher. And let me show you again on hourly time frame. So we have to break this level, and if we will break this previous top, we will automatically break this sloping line, and that's why I think the range of about $9.32 might be very good price target for our ticker. And from our current price, we might have about 47% to this level. And this is definitely quite risky trade. And let me show you that you can even try to enter your long position from the investor standpoint. But I think the average price should be lower than $5.6. So we have to wait, and I think we have to wait until their next earnings report in order to make an assumption what should we expect next for the long term with this company. And I think it will be somewhere in November, and this point will be a potential entry point for you as a long-term investor. So for now we have a rather decent possibility to hit the profits of about 47%, but we have to hold the line of about $6.2. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!